Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to review posts that you are tagged in before they appear on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the menu icon down below on the right side corner. Tap on settings at the top of the screen, scroll down to audience and visibility, and then click on profile and tagging. Then scroll down to the third section, which is reviewing, and at the bottom of the screen you can find this review posts that you are tagged in before the post appears on your profile. If you would like to enable this feature, all you have to do is clicking on this button on the right side of the screen. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.